how to know if someone is busy on Instagram. So let's begin with it. Finding if someone is busy on Instagram call is very easy. The updated version of Instagram has made it convenient for us to know if somebody is in another call. So I'll teach you how you can see if somebody is on another call. What you need to do is go to your Instagram and go to your chats. Here, tap on the person you wanna video call to. And if that person is on call, you'll see a green dot option at the video call or call option. You'll just see a green dot, which means that person is busy on Instagram with someone else calling. So the green dot tells you if that person is busy in call or not. So in that way you can know that if that person is busy or not with someone else on call. So I hope this information was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.